this thing
What makes
recording?
a difference?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, this thing is recording, bro. I gotta look cool and shit. Hold up.
Hold on.
Hold up, son. Chill, bro.
Somebody take a
I
picture.
have to turn my hat around real quick, man.
Gang
Yeah, I
got you up.
I need that goose, I need that perp. Got that 2-4 chillin' on my shirt. Added 7 cause I always put in work. 24/7, let me kill the verse.
Okay, how we doing, everybody? Oh yeah. Let's sync it up with a clap on 3. 1, 2, 3.
What the mic do to you, boy? One more time. Yo, you got that shit? That's just gonna be a great fucking interview.
1, 2, 3. Bro.
Got
What's
good, baby?
Yo,
My nigga.
welcome to everybody. We got a stacked little panel today. This is one of our new segments that we have yet to name, so we're just gonna call it the Joe Budden Podcast.
No, wait, they changed it to Friend of a Friend.
Friend of a friend?
Yeah, some shit like that.
Oh, damn.
That's the new name of the podcast.
I like the we'll name this podcast later podcast.
They finally
That
named
was
it.
the play. That was the play. So, yeah, welcome to everybody. Let's go around the table and introduce yourselves.
What's good? My name's Dayla.
Into the microphone.
Oh, yeah. What's good? My name's Dayla. Frankie.
Hey, what's happening? My name is Smoke Dog.
¿Qué es lo que hay? Mello sabe, ya lo sabe.
Word, I was trying to fix
Word. So, we're here to talk about just like Massachusetts shit, and the shit we did this weekend, which was particularly not Massachusetts. Let's get into that in this late night edition. But first, we have this kind of new tradition that has to do with like some OG Yu-Gi-Oh shit. We have a lot of anime fans here. Yu-Gi-Oh is my favorite anime. Let's go around the horn and talk about your favorite Yu-Gi-Oh card and why.
I already know mine, so.
See, my favorite Yu-Gi-Oh card was I used to have a light deck. It was Honest. Because I forgot what the fuck
What
it is.
generation is that?
Coming a little
That's,
closer.
I don't even fucking remember.
Light Sworns.
That
What
guy said
generation is that,
Light
though?
Sworns. Yeah.
Keep it a straight
Like
buck.
what TV show was it?
Oh, did you do like Pokemon and shit?
Nah, not even.
This nigga didn't do shit.
I didn't do shit.
You just didn't
Sheltered
do
ass
shit.
nigga.
He been a grown ass man since he was like 7, bro.
yeah.
Just smoking cigarettes and doing tray flips, nigga. He's a very unique
Frankie,
person.
help save him. Help.
My favorite Yu-Gi-Oh card was Dark Magician, OG. Bro.
Oh shit.
It's the holographic.
Dark
shit?
Magician.
The Black Destructor.
Is it
Black
holographic?
Magician of Chaos. The black one who's like this and shit.
The black one was cool.
No, matter of fact,
No,
not
no.
even Dark Magician. What's his name? The red one with the white hair. Dark
Oh
Magician
yeah.
Arcade or some shit like that.
Yes.
That was my dude, bro.
Yeah.
For that
The
special
red one with the
Sinister.
white hair, he was
Sinister.
lit. He was super lit. And Dark Magician girl. Toon Dark
Word.
Magician girl.
Oh yeah, she
Man.
just get stronger for every Dark Magician.
Lit.
She got like
Okay.
300 attack for every Dark Magician.
Always wanted to do
Yes. Yes, sir. Yo, we got the Yu-Gi-Oh squad in here.
Did
I used to
Um,
be heavy.
I still got my
Yo.
that niggas want some jazz.
But I still
Celtic
am.
Warrior was my nigga. I had a little Celtic Warrior toy, bro. She was lit. She was one of my
Okay.
favorite toys when I was a child.
Someone
Yeah,
give
I think
Vontae
Guardian.
Yu-Gi-Oh
Because
card.
then there's obnoxious Celtic.
Oh, and Red Eyes.
I have to
Red
assign
Eyes
one to
Darkness
Vontae.
Dragon. Small
Who?
girl.
No. Who would Vontae be?
If he was a Yu-Gi-Oh.
If-
Yeah.
Yu-Gi-Oh
Like
card?
who? What Yu-Gi-Oh card would he
Oh,
be
she
into?
almost died.
Yeah.
You go to Yu-Gi-Oh with the
First
fucking
time we say
with the
that.
fucking with the mirror and it like doubles up and shit like that.
Oh, copycat. Copycat.
I don't know.
It copies
Is that what it is?
monsters
I think
attack
yeah.
and
Some
shit.
shit, I don't know.
It's just like
It could be that, or he could be like a Toon World type.
Yeah.
nigga, this is
Yo, we'll make him tune Magnareran because
Because he's fire. Because he's fire.
Because he's fired.
One day that.
No, he is fired. Okay. We're coming to you, bro. Tell us about coming into the music game and linking up with these two knuckleheads and getting all the big mistakes you made in your life.
basically how I got into music is
just my boys doing that shit, and fucking, I was just like around that shit, so I was like, I'm about to do this shit too. And most of the time I'm just skating though. So.
What dictates what you like? Because when I see your tastes, they really reflect what's popping right now. Into the mic.
I don't even really know. Pretty much everything. If it's like, how do I explain this? Wait, what was the question again?
What dictated your music tastes?
I don't know, just ignorant shit. I really like ignorant shit.
Why is that? Is that just like reflect your lifestyle and shit?
I don't know, cause it's like there's like the boom bap rap, then there's like soft rap. I don't know, like A Boogie, like soft rap, like that's what I think. That's like, and then
He's
there's
a
like
nod to like the past.
yeah, and then there's like XXX and all that extra like little pump and all that shit. That shit just get me hyped. So I just make hype music.
You're with the hype.
Yeah, I'm just all with the hype.
We got one in the bank, Flower seed. Well, I'm calling it right now flower seed. Like this is unreleased in the vault, but like we've been just bumping with that. Yo, so okay, everybody talk about. We'll start with Mello. Talk about what happened this weekend, and then just like your favorite moment.
What happened this weekend? They were just straight magic. Everybody was just doing their thing. And my favorite thing was just being in the studio all the time, basically. Like, I don't know. I ain't never done this shit in the grip. Like, just stay up all fucking night and just keep recording. Back to back type shit. Like, we'll take a break, go take a walk, and shit like that. Come back. You want to record again? Fuck it, just get it. That shit was lit, but that's a lifestyle I'm trying to live forever. Like, you do this shit every day, just did it.
Facts. The shit was mad fun. I'm down there. It's over.
This shit fun as hell. We going home tomorrow.
We can in Brooklyn, my nigga. Brooklyn tomorrow. All right,
Like
Frankie.
Rockstar.
What was your favorite moment?
Yeah, this weekend was crazy, bro. To be honest, like
The long ass drive.
nah, the drive was fucking horrible.
This man don't know what exit to get on.
Yo, it's fucking yo. In my fucking iPhone maps, they don't tell you what lane you should be in. Like Google Maps tell you what lane you should be in. I'm about to switch my shit over, bro.
Super important for
That shit,
811.
bro, that shit is super fucking important when you're in cities like New York, cause every lane like just goes different.
You
ways.
can't just
you have
switch.
to be in, yeah, you can't just switch at any time. So much traffic. That's what kept happening to me. I kept getting caught in like the wrong.
Then we got stuck
lane.
in like an Amish town.
Yeah,
It was just mad Amish.
it was crazy. But pass by that bullshit. Now my favorite part of this weekend was just every time we finished the song and we listened back to it, and it was like, yo, we made this shit in like an hour. And it just happens random because this is like none of this shit.
Straight inspiration.
I was like straight out of my element, like none of these verses or whatever or anything that I would say I normally rap like that or like the type of music I would make. But it's still like just chilling here with my niggas. This nigga have everybody hyped up. We just going, the beat just playing. We just freestyling, talking shit about Wallet. We had some hype shit. But when we did the track with all of us on it, and then we played that shit back because it was finished, but all the verses, ad-libs, everything, bro, it was just like, nigga, we really made this song.
That's how I felt.
This shit is crazy.
And
it
like
makes no sense and so much sense at the same time. It literally just encompasses like all of our characters into one, and then it's just dope, bro. I can't wait for everybody to hear it, bro. The song's about to be so lit.
Yo, it's about to go crazy. I went out to a play at like 10 o'clock. I got back at like 1, and everybody's like, yo, like we just made some shit. And I was like, alright, whatever, yo, let's hear it. Like, how much could you have possibly done in 3 hours? But like, yo,
that boy played
you
the
really
DJ.
just like came with the
Shit,
gem.
vibe.
Right? And the vibe, and like, I had no idea what to expect from Vontae musically, and like,
This nigga came.
Nigga went in.
And this nigga Mel just was like, oh yo, look, I got this shit. He had like 32 bars.
Yeah.
In the cut, boy. Just had mad bars in the cut, threw them shit out on the fucking on the track, and this shit just sounded amazing, bro. Nigga went too hard. And then took Edo out retirement, you know. That nigga
Edo's a bum, man. I fucking with him sometimes.
That's funny good. Shout out to Edo on the camera. Shout out my nigga Edo behind the camera. That's my nigga, you already know. My nigga came with the lit verse. That shit was fire. That shit helped me write my verse.
For real.
Just made the whole shit amazing. So
Yo.
that song is lit as fuck. Let's get it.
All right, talk about the fidget cube right now.
Oh word, I got this.
Does this help?
Yo, that shit funny
Does
as
this
hell.
help
Remember
you?
yesterday I was like, talking about the fidget cube, whatever.
yeah,
I was
yeah.
watching an anime yesterday, right? And I'm like, yo, they got a fucking fidget cube. He's telling me that I got one. I'm like, wait, what? You got one? He dead pulled that shit up. I'm like,
The shit
nigga,
on
I
my
dead actually
backpack,
saw this in a
bro.
commercial, nigga. It's like not official, like some futuristic shit. And I'm just like,
I got it
this
as
is
a gift.
Better or worse than the fidget spinner?
It depends.
My opinion is the fidget spinner is way better than that.
The fidget spinner is cooler, but like this shit, I like clicking shit. Like I like this shit and the button, like, cause I like, I don't know. This the way I fidget. This works better for me with like the buttons. Like a fidget spinner is dope, but after like tech, cause I work at school, so I be confiscating shit from kids all the time. Cause I'm not supposed to have them, so I be chilling there playing with shit. Yo, but like after a while, your thumb hurts from spinning it all the time. At least with this, like it's different things. It's not just one type of stimulation the entire time. So I just keep messing with this. Should be fucking helping my ADHD.
Word.
Boy, I got a coaster for my phone.
Word. And it looks like a pancake griddle for like mini pancakes.
Real big pancakes.
Oh, wait, you don't
Easy
bake
big pancakes.
you don't bake pancakes.
Let's talk about the trip into town today, where we just like dipped into like
That shit was mad.
we just dipped in everywhere. We went started at Forbidden Planet.
I was in my feelings, so I just had to walk around all day.
Everybody decided we're spending the bag at Forbidden Planet when we do get the bag.
Facts,
Facts.
bro.
What else did we do?
Facts.
Coming for the propaganda.
Yeah, what are you trying to buy, Monte?
Man, you already know. I'm trying to cop me a fanny pack.
Yo,
I'ma get the
Urban
little-
Outfitters.
The little one strap backpack. Hold on. Let me splurge real quick.
Sunglasses?
Hold on, I'm gonna get them dinosaur SBs again. Them dinosaur junior SBs. What else?
What store was that? Stadium?
Flight
No.
Nah, that was Flight Club.
Flight Club.
Boy,
Shout out
Flight Club
Flight
had the
Club.
S and B's. Yo, I wasn't.
Yo, the
having
wall
time.
in that shit.
Niggas had the MF Doom FB.
You know what's funny? I used to be the other sneakerhead, and I walked into there. And
This nigga was
fuck.
this nigga.
I noticed.
Bro,
You were on the phone at the
Yeah.
window, and these niggas were like having orgasms.
I didn't even want to, bro. I didn't even want to go into Flight Club, and then I seen that.
I just want to see
like,
they got the jersey. That's all I wanted.
Yeah,
And
and
they
I seen that
kinda
SBs, bro. I
did.
lost my shit, bro. Cause like Nike SB, that's like my whole inspiration for art. Like when I was in high school and I learned skating and all that, the first thing that caught my eyes was how amazing the art on the sneakers were. And that shit got me like, damn, I want to make sneakers like that too. So that got me into graphic design and all that shit. Got me into skateboarding, got me into music. It's like, so that shit hits home for me. That shit's like very personal to me. I love Nike SBs, like all their OG shoes and shit. They're fucking ill. They had a whole bunch of my favorites, and I was just like, ugh. The advancement check need to come, bro. Who's signing me? Let's get it.
Let's get
Make
it.
some
Let's
sneakers.
get it. Yo, what did I see? Yeah, we didn't get to go to Nike Soho. I want to take you guys there. That's like a three floor store that's pretty new, and they just have like all types of
pulling
all
up the
types of gear. No, Soho. Yeah, Soho pretty much closed. We got into town at like
We got there pretty late.
yeah, we were rocking around that neighborhood at like 8. All the retail stores were closed, so we gotta do the round 2. Yo, what if we just like hit the road on some like Airbnb shit and then like did like 3 days here? Cause we're talking about like doing it again in New York, doing it in Philly, just like tour the Airbnb,
Yeah.
fucking tour.
all over.
Hey,
Get to Toronto, come
Niggas
visit
texting me right now.
Florida, LA. There's mad places I want to go in this
We
country.
pulling up everywhere with the ignorant
get it.
shit and the bars.
We were talking about inspiration though, artistically. And a big thing for Frankie is, for Dela, is anime. And basically this weekend for him involved rolling an anime.
Rolling lots of weed,
talk about-
watching lots of anime
Yeah.
on mute, nigga.
Like a lot.
Alright, so
Subtitle
my creative process, I'm a weird ass nigga, and I need shit like to stimulate my mind and shit. So like, the way I like to record like to have the beat playing. I gotta roll some bud. I gotta smoke a little bit. Vibe out with my niggas. And it gotta be dark. I like dark with like a little bit of light, because it just keeps me from being distracted from like shit around me I can barely see. And I gotta have some anime playing, bro, but it gotta be on mute with the subtitles. I can read it, but it's not distracting me from the beat. So like, just all the art and artisticness and like Afro Samurai inspires me a lot, just the storyline and all the like concepts in it. So watching that while I'm listening to a beat, it like helps me write, because I don't know how, I can't explain it. It just like stimulates my mind in a different way that like while I'm watching anime, just everything about it, bro, just like unlocks this artistic part of me that helps me write way faster and way better.
Mello, what's your process?
My process is, I feel like I'm taking all y'all energy. It's like I see everybody being creative and shit. And that's what inspires me. Cause like I feel like all my friends are future legends. I see all these like niggas in the game now, and them niggas is too old for this shit. So it's like, you know what, they gotta push over. It's time for me and my friends to take over. So y'all niggas inspire me the most. Cause it's like y'all be killing shit. I'm like, damn, I wanna kill shit too. So it's like
Nigga be killing it all week.
I know y'all. That's the thing though. Y'all think I kill it, but I think y'all kill it. So it's just like. It's like,
Nigga, how many verses you wrote this weekend, man?
This nigga wrote more songs.
This nigga was like, yo, can I get a spot on this beat? Yo, can I get a spot on this track? Yo, you got an extra verse for that? I'm trying to hop on that shit. Like, yo, I just wrote this like 5 minutes ago.
Shit, I don't know. I write quick, especially if I'm inspired. It's, I don't know, it just happens.
I wish I could write that quick. That shit crazy. This nigga was like, man.
It's true. Yo,
Vontae,
what's... I don't know. You don't have a process. You definitely...
I really
just
don't.
definitely...
I just does it. I think he does it.
He's just always in the sauce, nigga.
Yo, I look at the Nike.
I'm just so in the sauce right now. I'm marinating right
Throwing a beat
Yo,
right now.
You gotta think it's all come near it.
we're catch Vontae on the Food Network.
With
Fucking
that
marinated.
freestyles about how I don't eat lettuce and only pizza.
Oh, that's the other thing.
This nigga
We
don't
took
eat
him to
pizza,
Chinese
bro.
food, like, which is already junk food. You think somebody who eats junk food is gonna be
I
fine?
need that pork.
Not at all. Like,
Nigga just
Well,
eats
guy,
pork.
it's like, do you want some chicken? Like, what type of black person doesn't want no chicken?
What do I
Yo, talking about pizza.
I get that so much, nigga. When I be like, I'll be chilling with somebody, be like, yo, you want some chicken? I'll be like, nah, nigga, give me some pizza.
Question. Bro, ask a question about literally anything. You'll have an answer for it.
Nigga, what?
Alright, when was the first time you did drugs?
First time I did drugs, age 12, I smoked some AZ out of backwood. I mean, not out of backwood, out of the black and mild, because I shoved it down there. I stuffed the black and mild with a bunch of A game and got roasted on my back porch.
It was Dolo?
I was dolo.
And
And I robbed my brother for some weed, just so I could smoke for the first time. That shit funny. as
He
hell.
won't know until he sees this.
He won't. And I don't think he'll watch this, but
Nah, don't watch. We everywhere.
He'll probably
We're
watch
coming.
it,
I'm
but
snitching.
fuck it. You know now.
Nah,
And
I
if
come
you
out.
don't know,
Now you know.
nigga.
Yeah, this nigga Vontae been saucy since.
Alright, so
Sauce.
I'm gonna verse Mello, you verse Vontae. Ready? And so the singular Rochambeau will go for both parts, right? Rochambeau. Rochambeau.
Yeah.
Are we
Is it
doing best of three?
Oh, nah.
You just said single.
He just didn't do it.
Okay, I got you. Wait, so who
I just
won?
won.
I don't know.
I just beat this.
Yeah,
Alright.
but like, that was the first one we did when you
Wait,
did
that
it.
was Millie
He didn't
Rock.
know what he was doing. He was
Right,
like-
he just stalled it out.
So then we
Alright,
won
alright.
again, and then he beat me.
Yeah. So now it's
It's
Vontae
on there.
and Mello.
Alright, ready?
And we're picking a winner here.
This nigga still
That's
rocked.
Bullshit.
Yeah, no, he rocked all the way. You rocked to the championship. Yo, Mello's our guy, bro.
Wait, what?
Clap it up. Yo,
I thought it was.
now, your
I just
prize.
get the question, nigga.
Damn, I thought it was for like to not get the question.
I lost
Mello.
on purpose.
We're gonna give you this slightly tattered $100 bill.
Okay.
We hope you don't spend it all in one place.
Alright, can I just spend it on candy?
This is some real Illuminati shit.
Spend that shit on some strippers.
Right. We're gonna
Turn into
we're gonna
one
make you
versus
spend it
live
on the movement, but this is for you can roll
Yo,
in
go
it.
break that
You
shit
can,
all
like-
You
down
tryna
to
smoke this
$5.
shit?
You can. That's about it.
Trying to roll on it
I'm trying to roll on this shit.
Get high off $100.
Yo, so once again, this is our new segment. I thank all my guests for coming out. We are fucking
Can I
pretty
shout-
high
can I
off
shout out
life. Yo, let's go through some shout outs, definitely.
Wait, what was his question?
Wait, right? What
Was he
was
in
his
the
question? Fuck it.
I
he
gave
didn't
him a
get
prize
question.
instead of a question. Like, how does somebody win a thing and then it's like, oh, now I get to answer a hard question. Thank God I won. This is what I competed for.
Exclusively produce one project.
Huh?
Who would you pick to exclusively produce one project? One producer to do your whole project?
Damn. I'm gonna have to say.
Famous.
Oh.
You gonna pick some local nigga from the
Yeah.
I already know you. You really
Hello.
super local supportive.
Damn, I haven't been bumping famous niggas. I can't even think.
Just
I
let
want,
you
I
know.
want to say Metro Boomin, cause I feel like I'll make that nigga's beats go fucking
It's
hard.
top at the- that's the
Any nigga
top
hopping on
list.
that nigga beats, so I'm gonna have to say Metro Boomin.
Dope.
Vontae,
What?
producer.
Forza.
Nigga, you only pick
Oogieman.
one. Only pick one. Shit.
For real?
Forza, yeah.
Damn, shit.
Alright.
I said exclusively produce one project.
One, the whole.
Every
Damn,
week.
Right, right.
Alright, so can I pick,
Yeah, you can change it.
Working on Dying, the whole, because they're all producers. So that's like,
Group?
yeah,
Is
it's
it
a
yeah.
group of producers.
It's like choosing Jeff.
Like 808 Mafia kind
I was
of.
gonna
Just
say,
like that.
no, I would choose
That's
TM.
okay.
I would
That's
choose
okay.
TM.
I guess that works.
Right,
works. I asked the question. I don't know who I would pick.
Right, now you gotta figure it out.
You gotta figure out who produced J. Cole's first song.
Himself? Oh,
Yeah,
first
so.
song.
Nah, but I wouldn't have J. Cole produce my shit. That'd be.
I feel like
that
you
would be
said
kind of
Kanye.
corny.
That'd be weird.
That'd be yeah.
You would've had Kanye do it for you?
Hell,
No.
Why not?
What about Travis Scott?
Travis Scott produced it.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah.
I thought that nigga just.
That
gets-
boy's nice.
I thought that nigga gets really fucked up and yells while.
Nah, that nigga.
Nah, he produced first.
Really?
Yeah,
Nigga make
nigga,
beats
that's how he got
That's
on.
cool as fuck. Nigga be
That
turned
is
up.
dope.
I don't smoke with that nigga music. Anyways. Well, the OG answer, I feel like my answer would have changed right now, but I guess I'll go with, I've always said Alchemist. I always said I love
Stand by
Alchemist
it.
beats. Alchemist beats are fucking amazing. Alchemist are like, or Just Blaze. But I don't know if I could really, I don't know if I could rap on a bunch of Just Blaze beats.
Right,
Beats
that's
are
how
too
I
fire.
feel. They're like so.
I don't think, I don't know, that shit, I would.
You'd have to raise, yeah.
That project would take like a long ass
A
time.
little minute.
Because every beat would just have to be like my best bars ever for a Just Blaze project. His beats are too far.
Right, right.
I feel like
You'd
Alchemist
have
though
to.
encompasses
Yeah.
like my shit, but I think that would be good. So yeah, Alchemist, long story short.
Dope. Dope. I mess with it. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys. We're signing out. I thank my guests, and this is our new segment, which has yet to be named. We'll see you guys next time. Hey! Let's get it.
Why you worried about how the next nigga flexing? When you dumb niggas gon' learn your lesson. Back off cause my patience you be testing. And now I just can't keep dealing with all this negativity. So keep that bullshit to yourself cause it don't mean shit to me. Nah. Say that shit for the birds. Say that shit for the birds. Give a fuck what you heard. I don't give a fuck what you heard. You can say that shit for the birds.